In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image over video in Davinci Resolve. This is a handy skill to have whether you're working on a YouTube video, a presentation, or some creative project. So let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First, open Davinci Resolve on your computer. If you haven't downloaded the software yet, just head on over to the Blackmagic Design website to get it installed. Once you have Davinci Resolve opened, you'll be greeted by the Project Manager screen. This is where all your previous projects are stored and where you can create new ones. For this tutorial, select an existing project if you have one in mind, or go ahead and create a new project to work with. Once you've got your project ready, you should now see the main interface of Davinci Resolve. Next, navigate to the edit page. You'll find the button at the bottom of your screen. The edit page is the powerhouse of your editing process, where all the magic happens. Here's where you'll be spending most of your time arranging clips, fine-tuning edits, and of course adding images over your video footage. If you're unfamiliar, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various panels and tools available. Now it's time to add your image. To do this, first import the video clip that you want to overlay with an image into your media pool and drag it down to your timeline. Once your video clip is in place, it's time to bring your image into the timeline as well. To add your image, simply drag and drop it from your media pool directly onto the timeline right above your video clip. Davinci Resolve layers the media with video tracks and audio tracks, and by placing your image above your video, you position it perfectly to be seen over the video footage. After placing your image, you'll probably want to adjust its position and size so that it looks just right. Click on the image in the timeline to select it, then head over to the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. Here you can scale and reposition your image according to your preferences. Take some time to experiment with the placement until it complements your video perfectly. You might even decide to add some effects or animations if you feel creative. And there you have it, a concise yet thorough way to overlay an image onto your video in Davinci Resolve. Once you've followed these steps, take a moment to play back your project to ensure everything looks just as you intended. Remember, video editing is a creative process, so take your time, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.